using the Xcode. So I'm going to explain you how to do that. So first you have to create the simple application sample app. I'm just doing that. Desktop create sample app project. So I have created one sample app. In sample app you have main storyboard. There is I will create one button, UI button, and that button I have placed it here and give I will give the horizontal or vertical alignment, so it will be in a center. So that is not my main concern. So after that we have to use the storyboard references. You can see here storyboard references. So just drag and drop, just connect it, show. You have given the segue like all these things, and when you select this storyboard you have to choose it. Right now I don't have any other storyboard, so first I will create one sample storyboard that I will give the name like um, test or anything with like chat screen or something. I have created chat, so I will place it here. And there is one more controller, so I have created one controller. There I give the UI button is or UI label like for time being to see the screen. So I have created added a center and give uh, name of this one is chat screen, and whatever you have given is doesn't matter, chat screen. So here you have to go. You have created one references. You have a chat screen now. So you have given the chat screen, and no need to give the reference ID right now and bundle, because it's already taken the com.app.sample app, which is belongs to here. So no need to do that. And difference ID, initial view controller, whatever you want to give, you can create one chat screen like chat controller name like UI view controller chat controller. So I created in that chat view controller. I will give to this. For if you using the identifier using the programmatically, you have to give that. Another is fine, no need to that. Then I will run the app in a any simulator. It will be take some 2-3 minutes because my system is small slow. What happened is the main storyboard reference initial view controller chat issue, but no design enter point was found. What is the problem? I have find the here. There you need to give identifier chat reference ID initial view controller, this controller. And what is the problem? Initial main storyboard reference the initial view controller of chat.storyboard, but no design entry point was found. So I have not given the chat view controller uh, .h file name, so that's why it's showing some error. So we check that it's working or not. See, chat screen is name. When I click this button, its chat screen is come. So we use the two storyboard. Using the references, we can connect it anywhere. Thank you.